Hello everyone, welcome to my new videos. Today I'm going to solve the problem of trapping rainwater. That this question most asked in interview. So you are preparing an interview. So that video definitely helpful for you. So I request you to watch the video till the end. So let's start to solve the problem. First, start with the read the question. Then after I will show you how could solve the problem. So let's start the reading question. So without further delay, given an non-negative integers representing the and evolutions map, where is the width of the each bars one, compute how much water can trap after the raining. So just like this black is representing the bar and blue color is representing the waters. So you can say you can see all these bars length is fixed is one units, and height is not a fix. So you can see that height of given the array. So this is representing the height of the array of bars, and blue lines is it is the water when is the raining happening. So it's water is trapped inside this bars. So you have to finding this how much units of water can the trap inside this bars. So that is the question. So I hope understood the question. So you have to finding that how much units water is can trap inside the bars. So you have to find that ratio of waters. So I hope you understood the question. So let's start the coding. So I will use the stack. I hope you aware of a stack. So you're not aware, don't worry. Keep watching videos. Definitely you aware of that things. Which why we are using the stack, and so definitely you will clarify this all this doubt of regarding stack. So let's start. I will make a first stack. So inside this stack, I will be just contain this index and one more variable I will declare that will be total. That will be contain this units of water. I will use the while loop for iterating the height of this bar and check that height. It's like a HIGST height length and height plus plus. So first it will be find the stack length could find it stack dot length length. So if so I will using again while loop, and here check stack length, it's greater than 0. When is not a greater than 0, so it will skip that loop, and here is a stack. I will be push inside that stack dot push. Inside this I just telling you, and I will be inserting only for index. So I will index the I values, and along with we have to check one more thing. It's like a height. I will check one more condition, height stack who's the toppest index inside that stack that length. So I will check that height. It should be present height of that index is less than. So this condition will be true. So it will come inside this loop. So I will be popped one value from that stack. Just type pop, and when it's pop, so after that again I will be check height. So once again you have to add something better for you. You will same variable type here. So that's why reason I just use that let. Let you know that is let you can is many time to can is slice that variable. So when you use a stack const, so only for once time to give you facility to is and slice that variable. but here is a let. So we are take advantage of that variable. So I will be again check that length and check stack length equal to 0. When is equal to 0? So again need to some input some value inside that. So when is the not a value inside it? So here is a break here. So not a further move here. Just break it and go and push new value, new index of. So it go to push inside this. And after that, when is available, it's a nota length 0. So it move to next line. And next line I will be finding the length of that value. So you can just length, how much length of that waters. So how could you just like find the water? So I will be find that who's the minimum values, because water is how can is contain, how can it trap inside this two fields. When is one is longer, just the height is greater than second one. So it is not able to flow that water from here. He can only for water flow from this sorted height. Who's the sorted height is can is flow only for that. So that's the reason I will uh, find that who's the sorted height values. So I will be finding that height. So I will use the mathematics. It will be give me is among that whose values sort, just like small values. So I will find just like height, GST height, and stack and topmost stack len minus 1, and I will be find with height, present height. When it comes, so here you need to is check second, just like what is the value height of that whose value I popped from here. Just that value I popped because I popped from here, so I will be minus of that value. So minus of height minus popped. Who's popped value from here stack? Who's the popped the stack? So that will be uh, minus, and I will be finding that width. So I will type here and I will find the width minus I. So I is our indicator of that values minus stack dot who's the topest value. You just type stack dot length minus 1, and again you have to type 1. So you can see there's like I available here, and stack length topest value are this one. So it will be minus of finding those value and go again minus 1. And when is finding that value width and height length, so here is need to you have to find in the area of water, whose area is just whose area we finding, so that area correct of the unit of water. So where is the type this area, just we are doing the multiply length and width. So it will give me area, and I will plus inside the total plus values area. When finding after that, finally you have to be go and return that total unit of water. So let's see, it will be submitting or not. You can see it will submitting. So I hope you understood the code. If you have problem any regarding of that code, so please leave the message inside the description box. I definitely answer your question. So let's see it will be submitting or not. You can see it is submitting successfully. Thank you for watching a video till the end. So we will meet in next video. Thank you once again.